GameStop is trending again as traders gear up for upcoming earnings, with the community laser focused on whether this could be a fresh catalyst for a major move. After the recent roller coaster price action, many are now revisiting key breakout levels, past patterns, and the historical setups that led to previous explosions. A lot of the conversation revolves around signals, real or imagined, from Roaring Kitty, whose presence alone still moves sentiment, and the resurfacing of Michael Burry's commentary, which some believe could hint at deeper fundamental narratives or undervaluation angles. The community is split between the hype chasers and the pattern readers, but both camps agree the next earnings print could either validate the bullish thesis or reveal cracks. Fans of the stock are also talking up GameStop's multi year transformation, seeing it as more than just a meme ticker, pointing to the reshaped balance sheet, business pivot attempts, and the potential for operational upside if execution improves. Meanwhile, the more speculative crowd is eyeing short interest dynamics and arguing that the right catalyst could trigger a squeeze, especially if earnings surprise or if volume surges like in past run ups. All of this is creating a storm of anticipation. Whether this sets up another breakout or fizzles into another hype cycle is the question dominating the feeds.
Okay, so as things stand right now, it is up 1.1%. Not a huge amount of shares have crossed the tape. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. This is the December 5th option series based on this figures here, based on the open interests on both sides. Yes, traders are leaning strongly bullish. You can see what we have here. Compare that to what we have here. So in the very short term, they are expecting the stock to show some remain strong up till the close of Friday's trading session. Let's see what we have. The extrapolation is saying that they might remain strong. Yeah, the strength it picked up as of Friday the 21st is expected to remain that way up till Thursday, up to Friday as well. Okay, so we are looking at the prospects of possibly maybe the highs of around let's see 20. What do we have here? 23.63. Yeah, something like that. It's that's what we have here, 23.63. Yeah, if that is the case, then let's see what we have on the options grid. Let's see what we have at those sort of levels, 23.63. Let's just compare 23. Yeah, they're leaning bullish. Okay, but in any yes, they are expecting it to. They are trading heavy. They are trading that heavy, 23.63. It's just gone. It's quite volatile. So yeah, that's. I think that it has the most. Obviously, it's the next. It's the next level. So it has the most of all the open interests. Then going by next is the 23. Yeah, 23.63. That's the one. Yeah, we can see here they're not exactly very happy about that. Yeah, but they are still there anyway. So yeah. Okay, so how? Okay, we can see this pattern has been. This is the third straight session of volatility in the stock. They keep some printing here now. I think the lows are getting higher. It was $3 on Friday, yeah, on Friday, and then yesterday it was 3.3, 3.41. Today it is now 3.69. Okay, volatility is good. Volatility is people are messing around with the stock. Obviously, yeah. Let's see. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Okay, high prices are expected to keep playing out, going all the way towards the 11th of December. Yeah. Okay, and the 40 period moving average is equally rising to catch any dip that might occur. However, the algos are saying that momentum wouldn't spike. It's going to continue to moderate to the downside. Yeah, it's going to moderate, keep on declining, keep on. It's expected to keep weakening, but it doesn't mean that it wouldn't. go on to print high prices, or yeah, because this is, yeah, it doesn't mean it wouldn't yeah, it doesn't mean that the stock wouldn't go ahead to keep printing high prices. Yeah. On this 4 hour chart, we have 20.51. It is a downward projection. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Do we have any news? Let's see whether there's any more news. No fresh news there. Yeah, no fresh news there. You might find some news here on Think or Swim. Sometimes it does. Okay, what's going on with GameStop today? Let's see. Police charter charged over the holiday weekend after big short investor. Okay, surfaced in 20. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, down 25% year to date, leaving major institutional holders like Renaissance Technologies and Citadel Advisors facing steep paper losses on their lingering positions. All eyes turn to is it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday the 9th, when the company reports its earnings. Wall Street forecasts earnings per share of 18 cents on revenue of $187 million. Investors are waiting to see if the retailer's financials can match the renewed hype ahead of a widely expected Federal Reserve rate cut on the 10th of December. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.